guys, welcome back! Can you see what cake we have for you today? A Minnie Mouse cake! Yeah! Isn't she so cute? She's holding a little heart in her hands. All right, let's start up with our basic cake. Get our creamy frosting. We're gonna make an outer layer and fill the insides with jam. Now add on our second layer. And we're gonna do the same thing. You guys know the drill. If you haven't, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Tell us what your favorite jam is in the comments. Make sure you're really careful when you're applying this creamy frosting and our nummy jam. You can use whatever flavor of jam you like best. Now our top layer. Make sure you don't have any jam coming out your sides. Now we're going to apply some cream. And we're gonna smooth in all our creamy frosting. Num, 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 num. Do you just love to taste test all the frosting when you bake cakes? Isn't it the best? All right, make sure it's nice and smooth. All right, let's start modeling. We're gonna roll the red and white dough into strips. Remember, you can always play and practice with this at home. You can use Play-Doh. If you make a mistake, you can just re-roll it and start over. We're adding some powder so the dough doesn't stick. Make sure if you're using Play-Doh, you don't eat the Play-Doh. Yucky! We eat nummy cakes, not Play-Doh cakes. We're trying to make the lace patterns now. Watch carefully how we're doing it. And make sure if you're using a pizza cutter to be super careful. They're super sharp. Whoa, look at all those circles popping out. Oh, this is gonna be so cute when it's all done. Now we're gonna start adding our dots for polka dots. Do you love polka dot dresses? How many polka dots do you own? Cut a circle carefully. All right, now we're going to start putting some of the stuff on the cake. We're going to stick our lace on the bottom, make nice ruffles. Do you have lacy, ruffly dresses too? Take your time on this part. It can be a little tricky. Remember, you can practice this at home first. See how it's making lots of layers? Aww! It's so cute! Doesn't this look so awesome? All right. Now we're going to use our black dough. Remember, this part we have to fold on and smooth out really carefully. Cut it with our pizza cutter. Remember, cut the dough, not your fingers. Always be careful when you're using something super sharp. Can you guess what we're gonna make out of this? If you guessed Minnie, I think you're right. We're gonna start tracing Minnie's face. We use a template to make it super easy. Be super careful you don't cut your fingers. This is something super awesome to practice at home. You can practice on Play-Doh first. That way you'll be super awesome when you do it on a real cake. Do you love watching these videos? Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up. Tell us who's your favorite in the comments. Do you like Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse better? All right, we're going to start assembling her little face. You know how this goes. Start gluing on all your pieces. Cute little eyelashes. Now we have to start doing her hands. You remember she's holding a cute little heart in her hands. Now we're just going to add in some texture. There, she's all ready to hold a little heart. Let's make a cute little love heart. Do you love hearts too? Aw, look how cute that is. All right, we can't forget Minnie's high heels. She loves wearing her high heels. Do you love wearing high heels too? I love high heels and they're clickety-clack, clickety-clack. That's the sound they make. All right, now these are for the ears. You remember Minnie's cute mousy ears? Can't forget those. All right, now we're just adding some finishing touches. Do you know what this is gonna be? If you said a bow, you're right. So cute. Fold it over careful. All right, let's assemble it all together now. Carefully add your other layer of cake. Make sure it's not gonna fall off. Now we're gonna add cute little Minnie Mouse. Stick her face on. And her cute little hands. Don't forget to add the heart in. Aww, holding a little love in her hands. Now we're gonna stick the rest of the decorations on. Her high heels. Her bow. Aww. And her ears. Ta-da! All finished. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up, and leave us a comment. All finished.